good morning and happy weekend in Dubai. On today's vlog, we are going to for a Thai massage.
2 months rent free, Diva and Chiller free.
Where is it? Okay. Okay, fine. Anyway, we're going for a Thai massage. I had booked the appointment last night for today's schedule. It's our appointment is 11:30, and we are actually late, Filipino time. So now we are going to the place. I think it is inside the Armada Hotel, right? I think it's inside the Armada Hotel in DIP. So this is our first time to be in this place. So let's see how it goes. And after the massage, we're going to the mall where we will have a lunch in Ikea. So we'll see you then. This is the DIP, guys. We used to live here before when Bella was 1 year old. So we stay here like for 2 years in this place. And then we shifted to our current location in Sky Court in Dubai Land. In that place, we're also in our 5 year now. Reaching to the location. I think, see, this is the one, Armada Hotel. This is the Armada Hotel. Ouch! This is the place, guys, that we're going for massage. Come na. Wait, look at that. This is the place, guys, for the massage. Yes. This is a hotel na po? Hotel apartment. Swimming pool for Bella. This is the place for massage. I think they're hotel apartments. Guys, this is what's inside the room. It's a room tour. Actually, this is for the massage room for couple. Guys, we have done our massage and it was okay.
Yes, guys. My teeth is very loose.
So it was nice and I feel so relaxed. I have so many pimples here, so I need to go to the facial also. Okay, anyway, the massage was nice, and next month we will try something new. I cannot settle in this, so I want to check another new place. And yes, I think we get our money worth for this 1 hour massage.
And tomorrow we are planning to get a pregnant bird so we can have baby bird.
No, we are planning to I'm gaining weight, yeah.
You just said
Planning to gain weight.
We are planning to get a baby bird, like a newborn cockatiel bird. So I'm searching on the net how to look after for a bird. I mean, let's say like maybe a 5-day-old bird. So I really want to have, you know, from
who said I will agree? I also.
You also want to have? So we all have. So I'm searching on the net where I could get the newborn bird. Because cockatiel bird is really, it's like it's a friendly bird. It is really good for good to have as a pet in the house, especially when you have a child, because they are known for human.
But if you hug it,
Huh? They're friendly bird.
if you hug it, then and you don't let him down, just because if he nibbles on you when you hug him, that means put him down, otherwise he'll bite you hard. That happened to me once. I hate it.
I think I'm gaining weight. Yeah. Anyway, I'm on my diet, so let's say we're going now to Ikea for our lunch. So we'll see you then.
McDonald's.
McDonald's, you want?
McDonald's.
Okay. Guys, we are now in Ikea.
But Daddy did not hold my hand.
Entrance.
I'm lost.
Bella, yummy ice cream? What are you eating?
Ice cream and dip.
What is that? French fries, chicken, this is shawarma, vegetable cutlets,
Stuff is there, but then what to do?
broccoli, mashed potato, beef balls, meatballs, soup. Same thing. Let's eat. Nice kitchen. Bella.
Who's in the cream?
Please observe our safety practices. Wear your mask and gloves at all times and practice 2 meters physical distance.
We are buying this bed for Isabella because this is her request for so long. She wanted this kind of bunk bed. You want this, and in the bottom here down where she could study. This is like a study table and a chair. But this chair is separate. It is around 145 dirham. This is around maybe 2,000 dirham.
Can you buy the full set?
Yes, we will buy. So this is how it looks like. So we are getting this bed. There's more here also. Bunk bed. Bunk bed. Huh? So this is how it looks like for Isabella's bed. A ladder going up. Down is empty. There's a study table and a chair.
And also for the chair, you can split it and you can move it somewhere.
Yeah?
I'm just gonna flip this around for you. Look at this.
Guys, they are playing. Her dad and Isabella is running and playing. There they are.